Hello everyone, welcome back to Fun Math Express, and today we have the final session of this week before we break for the weekend. So we have a multiplication technique called 3-digit numbers. The technique, if you learn it well, if you practice it again and again, you will be able to multiply 3-digit numbers mentally in your mind without the use of paper and pen. Now, let me first explain the method. So imagine what you see on the screen is a set of two 3-digit numbers. So how is the multiplication procedure going to be? The root of multiplication is this. In step 1, we multiply these two numbers. In step 2, it is cross multiplication just in the case of 2-digit numbers. So we multiply this 2 and we multiply this 2, and both of them belong to step 2. What about step 3? Step 3, there is a cross multiplication between the digits on the extreme right. So that is, these two digits are multiplied and these two digits are multiplied. So in step 3 we have 3 multiplications and we add up all the 3. What about step 4? It is again just like the case of 2-digit numbers. We do this cross multiplication between these 4 numbers. So this is coming in step 4 and this is also coming in step 4. And in the final step we multiply these two digits. Okay, so the method is very simple. Let us try it out with the help of an example. So we have 325 into 212, and how do we multiply it? The first multiplication is between these two digits. So we have 5 into 2, which is 10, and a carry of 1. Okay. Next we have the cross multiplication between these 4 numbers. It is 2 into 2, 1 into 5. So 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into 5 is 5. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Then we add up the carry. 9 plus 1 is 10. We write the 0 here and we have yet another carry of 1. Next step, we multiply 3 into 2, 2 into 5 and 2 into 1. All the 3 at one shot. 3 into 2 is 6, 5 into 10 is, 5 into 2 is 10, so 6 plus 10 is 16, 16 plus 2 into 1, 2 into 1 is 2, 16 plus 2 is 18, then we add up our carry, we have 19, we write the 9 here and we have the carry 1. Again in the fourth step, we go to multiply these 4 digits, so 3 into 1 is 3 and 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus we had a carry of 1 and we write it as 8. Now no more carry. So finally we multiply these two, 3 into 2 which is 6. So 68,900 is the result. So that is the multiplication of 325 and 212. Let us try it out with another example. I hope you remember the procedure. We multiply these two digits, 3 into 2, which is 6. Then cross multiplication between these 4 digits. 1 into 2 is 2, 5 into 3 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17. So we write the 7 here, carry is 1. Then we have the 3 multiplications together. 4 into 2 is 8. 3 into 1 is 3, 8 plus 3 is 11, 1 into 5 is 5 and 11 plus 5 is 16 plus this 1 which is a carry, and we have 17 and we write the 7 here, carry of 1 again. Then we multiply 4 into 5 is 20, 1 into 1 is 1, 21 plus the carry 22, we write the 2 here and we have a carry of 2. Finally, we multiply 4 into 1, which is 4, and plus 2 is 6. it is 62,776. To brush up the method once again, we do another example. I hope this time you will be able to find your root for yourself. So we have 2 into 5, which is 10, and we write the carry as 1. 1 into 5 is 5, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 1 is 14. So we write the 4 here and carry out 1 again. Next multiplication, be careful. 7 into 5 is 35, 3 into 2 is 6, 35 plus 6 is 41, 41 plus 1 into 4 is 4, 41 plus 4 is 45, plus this 1 here, so we have 46 and we have a carry of 4. Now we do the cross multiplication between these 4 digits. 7 into 4 is 28, 3 into 1 is 3, 28 plus 3 is 31, plus 4 is 35, and we write the 5 here and we have a carry of 3. So our next step is 3 into 7. So we have 21, 21 plus 3 is 24, and since there are no more multiplications, we write the 24 here. So it is 2,45,640, which is the answer. Now let's try out another one, a little more complicated one, because of the higher numbers coming with each single multiplication. So this is 913 into 218. So we multiply 3 into 8 and we have 4 here and carry of 2. 1 into 8 is 8, 3 into 1 is 3, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13. So we write the 3 here and the carry of 1. Then the cross multiplication to the extremes and the center multiplication. 9 into 8 is 72, 2 into 3 is 6, 72 plus 6 is 78, plus 1 into 1 is 179, plus this 1 here, so we have 80, we write the 0 here and put 8 as the carry. Now 9 into 1 is 9, 2 into 1 is 2, so 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 8 is 19, so we write 9 here and the carry 1. 9 into 2 is 18, 18 plus 1 is 19, we write the 19 here, so we have the answer 1,99,034. That is the result we get when we multiply 913 and 218. Let us go to another final example. Okay, so we have 555, 222. So let us try this out. 5 into 2 is 10, 0, carry is 1. 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 2 is 10, 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 1 is 21, so we have a carry of 2 here. So 5 plus 2 is, 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 2 is 10, so 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30, 30 plus 2 is 32, we write the 2 here and we have a carry of 3. Okay. Next we have 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 2 is 10, 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 3 is 23, so we write 3 here and carry of 2. So finally we multiply 5 into 2 and we get 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, since there are not more multiplications we write 12. So it is 1,23,210. So I hope you have picked up this method well, and you need a lot of practice if you want to get an answer. Once you get it, it can be a very easy method for the multiplication of 3-digit numbers. Wish you all a very pleasant weekend ahead, and all the best. Enjoy the weekend and get back to Fun Math Express on Monday morning, and wish you all the best. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the like button. Thank you.